A rare gem in the world of vintage racing, the 1960 ELF Mk II embodied the spirit of grassroots motorsport, engineering with a lightweight, no-nonsense design built purely for performance. Crafted during a time when small, agile race cars were gaining traction on European circuits, the ELF Mk II featured a minimalist, open-wheel chassis with exposed suspension components and a compact aerodynamic body. Under the hood, or rather, behind the driver, it typically housed a Coventry, Climax or Ford-based inline-4 engine, producing around 75 to 100 horsepower, depending on tuning and setup. Weighing in at less than 1,000 pounds, the car relied on its exceptional power-to-weight ratio, sharp handling, and nimble cornering rather than brute force. Compared to contemporaries like the Lotus 18 or Cooper T52, the ELF Mk II offered similar performance characteristics but at a lower cost, making it a favorite among privateer racers and up-and-coming talent. Its role in motorsport history was defined not by grand championships but by its accessibility and purity, an ideal platform for learning the craft of competitive driving. Today, surviving ELF Mk II South are prized by collectors and vintage racing enthusiasts for their rarity and connection to a golden age of racing. Looking forward, it's simple. Modular design could inspire a new generation of electric, formula-style track cars focused on lightness, balance, and driver engagement over raw power.